It is the summer of 1950. Los Alamos National Laboratory, New Mexico. Four of the greatest physicists of the 20th century are sitting together at lunch. All four are veterans of the Manhattan Project. One of them, Nobel laureate Enrico Fermi, puts down his fork and asks a question that will haunt science for the next 76 years. Where is everybody? The universe is 13.8 billion years old. It contains hundreds of billions of galaxies. Each galaxy contains hundreds of billions of stars. Scientists have confirmed that most stars have planets. The chemical ingredients for life, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, are among the most common elements in the entire cosmos. By every calculation, the universe should be full of intelligent life, and yet, complete silence. Not a single confirmed signal, not a single confirmed contact. Nothing. This is the Fermi Paradox. And in 2026, we still have no answer. To understand why the silence is so disturbing, you need to understand the scale of the problem. The Milky Way alone is older than our solar system by several billion years. If even one civilization had appeared early in galactic history, just one, it would have had billions of years to spread across the galaxy. At even 1% of the speed of light, a civilization could colonize every star system in the Milky Way in roughly 10 million years. 10 million years sounds enormous. But the galaxy is 13 billion years old. That means there has been time for this to happen over 1,000 times. We should be swimming in alien artifacts. We should see megastructures around stars. We should be receiving signals constantly. Instead, nothing. In 2013, scientist Anders Sandberg ran a careful mathematical analysis. When all uncertainties in the Drake equation are properly calculated, the probability that humanity is completely alone in the observable universe is approximately 40% or higher. 40% chance we are the only intelligent life that has ever existed in a universe of sextillions of stars. On August 15, 1977, astronomer Jerry Amon was working at Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope. He was scanning the sky for any unusual signals from deep space. At 11:16 p.m., the telescope detected something extraordinary, a narrowband radio signal. Exactly the type scientists had theorized an alien civilization might send. It lasted 72 seconds. It was so strong, so unusual, that Amon circled it on the printout and wrote one word next to it. Wow. The signal has never been detected again. To this day, no one knows what caused it. It remains the strongest candidate for an extraterrestrial signal ever recorded. One signal, 72 seconds, then silence forever. In 1996, economist Robin Hanson introduced an idea that may be the most disturbing concept in all of science. He called it the Great Filter. The theory is simple. Somewhere between dead chemistry and a galaxy-spanning civilization, there is a barrier, a filter so severe that almost nothing passes through it. Something is killing civilizations before they can spread across the stars. The terrifying question is, where is the filter? There are two possibilities. Possibility 1. The filter is behind us. Perhaps the emergence of life itself is almost impossible. Perhaps the development of complex cells, like the ones in your body, is a miracle that almost never happens. Perhaps human-level intelligence is a freak accident that has occurred only once in 13.8 billion years. If this is true, we are the rare ones who made it through. We are alone, but we are safe. Possibility 2. The filter is ahead of us. Perhaps life emerges easily. Perhaps intelligence is common. But something destroys every advanced civilization before it can spread through the stars. Nuclear war, climate collapse, artificial intelligence, biological weapons. Something that every civilization inevitably creates and cannot survive. If this is true, humanity is approaching the filter right now. The silence of the universe may be a warning. In 2008, Chinese author Liu Cixin proposed a different answer. Scientists and philosophers call it The dark forest theory. Imagine the universe as a dark forest. Every civilization is a hunter, moving silently through the trees. They know other hunters exist, but they cannot know the intentions of any other civilization they might encounter. In this situation, the only logical strategy is silence. And if you detect another civilization, eliminate it before it can eliminate you. The theory suggests that the universe is not empty. It is full of civilizations. All of them hiding, all of them watching, all of them waiting. And if this theory is correct, the moment humanity began broadcasting radio signals into space in the early 20th century, we announced our location to every hunter in the forest. We have been transmitting for over 100 years. The signal has now reached thousands of star systems. The silence that follows may not be emptiness. It may be something watching us from the dark. As of 2026, astronomers have confirmed thousands of exoplanets. Many are Earth-sized. Many are in the habitable zone of their stars. The James Webb Space Telescope has detected complex chemistry in the atmospheres of distant worlds, and still silence. The scientific community is divided into three camps. Camp 1 believes life is extraordinarily rare. The emergence of life from chemistry may require conditions so specific that it has happened only once, here on Earth. Camp 2 believes life is common but intelligence is rare. Microbial life may fill the universe, but the evolutionary path to intelligence may be nearly impossible. Camp 3, and this is the darkest option, believes that intelligent civilizations are common, but they do not survive long enough to be detected. Something resets them. Something always ends them. In 2026, there is no consensus. The universe remains silent, and the silence grows louder every year we listen. Enrico Fermi asked his question over 75 years ago. We have built radio telescopes the size of cities. We have launched probes beyond the solar system. We have scanned millions of star systems for signals. And the universe has said nothing. There are only three possibilities. We are the first, the only ones who have made it this far. We are the last. Everyone before us is gone, destroyed by a filter that awaits us. Or we are not alone, and something, somewhere, has decided that we are not yet worth answering. None of these possibilities are comforting. The cosmos is 13.8 billion years old. It has had time to fill itself with voices, and it chose silence. The question is no longer, are we alone? The question is, why are we alone? Sleep well, traveler.